Hello people, so it's two wheels only here. So today is Saturday morning, 6:45 a.m. and I am headed to Lavasa.
This Ducati Diavel had an accident because of the throttle overshoot. The rider is okay, but the bike was slightly damaged.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's 11 a.m. now and we are headed back to Pune. So this was it for the day. We practiced some corners, had a lot of fun. If you want to see pictures and videos from my today's corner session, go check out my Instagram account. Its link will be in the description box below. So anyway, this was it for the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And do share your thoughts in the comment box down below. See you. Bye bye.